Alright, let's continue where we left off. We are going to join both left and right side of the body together. We don't use ball pins here. Just remember, the allowance is 2 cm. Followed by another side. This is the top of the sleeves. We need to sew a white running stitch and pull it for around the edge so that it is easier to fit into the armhole. When finished, join the sides of both left and right sleeves. Use steam iron to flatten the allowance neatly. Turn it over and iron. Here are the sleeves. Let's join the sleeves now. Make sure the lace of the sleeves are aligned with the body's lace. Use ball pins to secure the sleeves to respective armholes and sew. Sew from the body inside. While placing the sleeve underneath, double check the lace point to ensure it aligns. Finally, we sew both the polka dot wings to the back shoulder. We don't need to sew all the side and hem. The wings is for left and right back shoulder. Fold 1 cm and use ball pins to secure it. Followed by top stitch. Remove the ball pins, and here we have a pair of beautiful wings. Iron it slowly with an ironing pad underneath. It's hemming time. Iron all the hems of the overcoat. Hand sew a white running stitch guide to secure the hem. This will make the blind stitch for overcoat hem easier and neat.